Have you ever wondered how some people go from nothing to unimaginable wealth while others struggle their entire lives? Is it just luck, inheritance, or something else? The truth is, the super rich follow a set of hidden strategies, secrets passed down through generations or learned through painful experiences. Today, I will take you through the inspiring journey of a man who uncovered these secrets and transformed his life forever. This is the story of Arjun, a young man born into poverty, who cracked the code of the ultra-rich and built an empire from scratch. This is not just a story. It is a blueprint for success. Arjun was born in a small town where money was always a problem. His father was a factory worker, and his mother took care of the house. Every night, they worried about paying bills. From a young age, Arjun saw the pain in his parents' eyes when they had to choose between food and school fees. Despite their struggles, his father always said, "Beta, money is not everything, but it decides everything." These words stayed with him. Arjun was a bright student, but without money, his dreams seemed impossible. While his classmates planned their futures in big cities, he worked part-time jobs just to survive. One day, while delivering newspapers, he read about a billionaire named Mr. Raj Mehta, a self-made man who started with nothing. Arjun became obsessed. If he can do it, why can't I? He thought. Determined to change his life, Arjun moved to the city with just 500 rupees in his pocket. He worked as a waiter during the day and studied business books at night. He devoured everything he could find on wealth, success, and psychology. One day, while serving coffee in a 5-star hotel, he saw Mr. Raj Mehta himself. It was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. With courage, he approached the billionaire. "Sir, I want to be like you. Can you give me one piece of advice?" Arjun asked. Mr. Mehta smiled. "Wealth is not about working hard, it's about working smart. If you want to be rich, learn the game of money." Arjun was confused. "What do you mean?" Mr. Mehta handed him a small card. "Come to my office tomorrow. If you are serious, I will teach you." Arjun couldn't believe it. That night, he barely slept. The next day, Arjun sat in Mr. Mehta's grand office. The billionaire leaned forward and said, "There are 5 secrets that the rich follow. Most people never learn them. But if you do, you will never be poor again. Secret number 1. Money is a game. Play it wisely. Poor people work for money. The rich make money work for them," Mr. Mehta said. He explained that the wealthy don't just save money, they invest it. Every rupee should be a soldier, going out to bring back more rupees. Arjun had never thought of money this way. He realized that working for a salary would never make him rich. Secret number 2. Learn before you earn. Most people chase money, but they don't know how it works, Mr. Mehta continued. Before you make money, learn how to manage it. He handed Arjun books on finance, investing, and business. The rich don't just work harder, they work smarter. Arjun made a promise to himself. Every day, he would spend an hour learning about money. Secret number 3. Build multiple income streams. The poor have one job. The middle class has one business. The rich have multiple sources of income, Mr. Mehta explained. Arjun realized that one salary would never be enough. He needed different sources, investments, businesses, and passive income. Secret number 4. Network with the right people. Your income is the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, Mr. Mehta said. Arjun started networking with successful people. He attended business events, made connections, and found mentors who guided him. Secret number 5. Take calculated risks. Most people fear failure, but failure is part of success, Mr. Mehta said. Arjun learned that the rich take risks, but smart risks. They don't gamble, they analyze, prepare, and then act. With these lessons, Arjun started his journey. He began small, investing a portion of his salary, starting a side business, and learning from failures. His first business idea failed. The second barely survived. But the third, it changed everything. Arjun started an online business selling educational courses. Using the wealth secrets,
He scaled it up. Soon, he had multiple income streams, investments, online businesses, and partnerships. Within 5 years, Arjun went from broke to a self-made millionaire. One day, he returned to the same 5-star hotel where he had met Mr. Mehta. This time, he wasn't a waiter, he was a guest. As he sat down, he saw a young boy working hard. Arjun smiled and called him over. "Sir," the boy asked. Arjun handed him a card. "If you are serious about changing your life, come to my office tomorrow. I will teach you what my mentor taught me." The cycle continued.
Arjun's story is not just fiction. It is a reflection of real-life success stories. The ultra-rich don't have superpowers. They just understand the game of money better than others. If you want to change your financial future, start today. Learn, invest, build multiple income streams, network, and take smart risks. The secrets of the wealthy are no longer secrets. The question is, will you use them? What will be your first step toward financial freedom? Let me know in the comments. And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content.